people are still kind of thinking about it. I did go back to these groups. The groups that had this decided those were not correct answers. They were trying to get that 19. And you guys just said 19 made sense.
No.
No, you did. You said the model made sense. You said 4 times 4 was 16 plus 3 is 19.
Oh, yeah.
Then I just went around and you all said 28 also makes sense because you could add 3 plus 4, or 3 plus 4 is 7, and then 4 groups. But friends, there has to be one answer. And a lot of you are saying, well, it means to do 3 plus 4 first because that's first. And then some people are saying, no, the array has to go first. What did you say when we came around, Jasmine?
Well, I said I think both of them make sense because I don't know if it's saying 4 times 4 plus 3 or if it's saying 3 plus 4 is 7, so 7 times 4. So
We need to know what they mean, right? We need to know what they mean. So friends, we know math is just a language of action. What actions are we taking? We need to know what action are we taking first. 4 rows of 4 first, then add 3, combine 3, or do we combine this first and then take it into equal groups? So, I'm going to tell you what here. You guys talked about this order of operations. The mathematicians, the people who do math, they all had to come together and they had to decide. They had to say, we cannot have people fighting over what to do first. Hands down, put the text back if you're having a problem listening. Yep. So, they had to decide. They said, we can't have kids saying the answer is 19 and then other people saying the answer is 28. That's just not going to work. So they made a decision, Jasmine. This is not based on, like, oh, it just makes sense to do one after the other. They said, we've got to make a decision. And so they made the decision that multiplication will always come before addition. That you will always do it. Now, raise your hand if there's any way that you could have just been born and know that. Like that it's just totally, everyone knows that. No. This is a rule that they've decided. They all from different countries said, how are we all going to do math the same? Because we can't do it differently and then expect to argue back and forth forever. They had to make a decision. So, which of the models had us doing multiplication before addition? Which one of the models that we showed? Let's see, let's go back to the first one that we had. Boom. So Madison came up and showed us this one. 4 times 4 plus the 3. Did that show multiplication first or addition? Landon, what do you think? What did we do first on this one? Here's the 4 by 4. 4 times 4. Here's the 3. Want to phone a friend? Okay, ask a friend for help, but we're coming back to you.
That model makes sense more than the other one because multiplication comes first, and this one did do multiplication comes first.
So, I mean, the other model really does make sense too. 3 plus 4, and then multiply by...
You actually follow the problem, though.
Now this one, the mathematicians decided we're going to do multiplication first, right? That's what they decided. So, Landon, look right here. 4 times 4. They did this array of 4 times 4 first, and then they added the 3. Now, in the other one, what did people want to do first in this model?
Add the 3 first.
They wanted to go in order, like we were reading a book. They wanted to just do math like reading. They wanted to say, well, first is the 3, then comes plus, then comes 4, and they just read it like they were reading a book. Unfortunately, we have different rules in math than we have in books, and we have to know the order of operations. So now with your partner, I'm going to give you a different situation. I'll come right to you in 1 second. I'm going to give you a different situation, and I want you to try to model this situation using the order of operations. So we need to think of what's going on in this problem. If somebody wanted but so then, you want to think about this problem. Read it once to yourself. Jay brought some juice boxes to soccer practice to share with his teammates. He had 3 single juice boxes and 4 multi-packs. If you don't know what a multi-pack is, it's when they all come together. It's not just sold as one. And each multi-pack had 6 juice boxes in it. This is an expression that shows that problem. Can you use what you've just learned about the order of operations to model this situation with your partner? Go off and model. I'll come and answer questions.
Let's do groups, so.